All new values which are created and change the life are originated from a constructive effort, a keen vision, and a spirit of constant commitment. Intech Group is proud of the journey of creating the future that we have chosen and always persistently pursued. Here, Intech people work every day to develop together and create a better future, applying techniques, technology, and energy to serve people, together building a strong and prosperous Vietnam towards the era of a beautiful future. Intech Group Future Creation. In 2011, the journey of creating the future of Intech Group officially started with the milestone of Vietnam Industrial and Technical Joint Stock Company, Intech Vietnam, in the field of mechanical engineering. Born in a whirlpool of crisis, difficulties which like big waves challenged the bravery and will and forged temper and contribute to creating a strong Intech Vietnam today. Over the past decade, Intech has been an enterprise that has always focused on research and development, pioneering the application of modern techniques and technologies to improve product quality and continuously expand its scale and field of operation. The year 2020 marked a turning point in the reach of Intech Vietnam, which then restructured the entire system and operated under the group model with the Intech Group brand, specializing in the fields of mechanical engineering, automation, and technology. On the solid foundation, which has been built together with the spirit and bravery of the pioneer, Intech Group aims to become the leading engineering industry group in Vietnam. Inconsistent with the philosophy of taking the success of customers and partners as a measure of the development, Intech Group has affirmed its position with qualified products, effective solutions, and professional services. Intech Group has currently owned 5 member companies, including 1. Intech Hanoi, 2. Intech Ho Chi Minh City branch, specializing in providing rollers, conveyors, automation, and technology solutions. 3. Intech Mechanical, specializing in the field of precision engineering processing. 4. Intech Vietnam Sheet Metal Joint Stock Company, specializing in the field of sheet metal production. 5. Mikio Packing Machinery Joint Stock Company, specializing in supplying automatic packing machinery and lines. 2 factories in Hanoi and Ho Chi Minh. 1 representative office in Da Nang. Growth rate is always at over 50% per 1 year. In 2020, despite the turbulence and difficulties caused by the pandemic, Intech still successfully paved the way to export to Japan. In 2021, Intech has still firmly promoted exports to Japan and negotiated and produced samples for export to the US and European markets. Therefrom, Intech's products reach out on the international industrial map with an export network to Japan, USA, Europe, Hong Kong, Mexico. In the field of mechanical engineering, the first brick of creating the foundation for the development of Intech Group, we have invested in the most modern equipment and machines in Vietnam and a production management system that meets ISO 9001:2015 standards. With the capacity of engineering and processing technology, together with 2 large-scale production workshops, of which 1 workshop specializes in sheet metal production and 1 workshop produces precision engineering products, Intech Mechanical has affirmed its position in the domestic and export markets. For the field of industrial rollers and conveyors, Intech is proud to be the #1 prestigious and professional manufacturers in Vietnam. Our products also conquer the top fastidious markets in the world, such as Japan, Hong Kong, Mexico. Every Intech product before delivery to customers undergoes a strict process of control, evaluation, and testing to ensure the best quality of products. Following the flow of the 4.0 revolution, Intech Group has also made strong strides to bring optimal automation solutions for each field. Currently, Intech Group has been one of the leading domestic enterprises in creating the automation solutions, including 1. Automation solutions for manufacturing factories. 2. Automatic solutions of goods classification in industry and logistics. 3. Solutions of warehouse for automatic goods storage. 4. Industrial automatic packing machinery and lines. Intech Group has invested in building a research and development center, gathering highly qualified and passionate technology experts and engineers to bring life-changing solutions. With the Research and Development Center, Intech Group has completed a closed value chain from research and analysis of market needs to creation, production and testing, evaluation and market launch. Intech's automation solutions are successfully applied in the fields of electronics, automobiles, motorcycles, garment industry, pharmaceuticals, light industry, logistics, etc., to help optimize the management and production problems in many aspects with outstanding benefits such as liberate the management system of human resources, gradually shift the human resource structure from manual to automation, reduce errors thanks to the automated system, shorten the time, increase the productivity, operate and control the goods easily and accurately. Statistics are stored in real time. With the mission of creating a better and more modern technology of future to serve the people and society, Intech Group focuses on investing and researching for outstanding solutions such as Smart Factory. This is a comprehensive solution to delve into IoT technologies and automated production activities, data linking and synchronization, accurate statistics and real-time storage to help the enterprise and factory management become simpler and easier. In addition, Intech has successfully developed a GV self-propelled robot to replace simple human works, reduce labor intensity, logistics costs, and the error rate in production activities at the factory. With great development steps up to now, Intech Group's product ecosystem, which provides the operation solutions of Smart Factory, has been fully developed and received the trust of partners and customers. Constantly striving for innovation, applying advanced science and technology, and developing product ecosystems, cultivating capacity, and serving spirit, up to now, Intech Group is proud to be a reputable partner, providing the most effective solutions for huge brands in various fields. On the path of global integration and international cooperation, in early 2020, Intech Group has signed a strategic cooperation agreement with Kyowa Japan and Hyundai Movex Korea, in the spirits of mutual development and creating the future. In addition, Intech has also cooperated with leading partners in the world to refine techniques and technologies to put into projects in order to meet the strict requirements of customers. Considering people as an important factor that determines the success, Intech contributes to a better life for employees. For all employees, Intech Group is a big roof, helping them be more mature, happier, and have a meaningful life. Every Intech person is always imbued with the spirit of creating to build a business lives and develop a prosperous and powerful country. In addition, Intech Group also focuses on humanity values, is always ready to share and love, pays attention to the volunteering activities, and contributes to the community and society. The journey of more than a decade of development for Intech Group is just the beginning, with the great ambitions and aspirations of the people creating the future. These strategic goals and implementation roadmap for the period of 2021-2026 have been clearly outlined by the Intech Group's leadership, all towards a common vision, affirming the pioneering position, intelligence and Vietnamese brand in the domestic and international markets.
Trong giai đoạn tiếp theo, để khẳng định cái vị thế cũng như cái thương hiệu và tiếp tục cái hành trình kiến tạo tương lai của mình, thì tập thể Intech Group tập trung vào những cái điểm chính sau: đẩy mạnh các hoạt động nghiên cứu và phát triển sản phẩm nhằm mục đích là nâng cao cái chất lượng sản phẩm, đưa ra các cái giải pháp mang tính chất thông minh hơn và hiện đại hơn để phục vụ cái nhu cầu của khách hàng và của các doanh nghiệp. Chúng tôi sẽ tập trung phát triển theo chiều sâu và trong các cái mũi nhọn của công ty đang phát triển, để chúng tôi xây dựng một cái hệ sinh thái Intech phát triển lớn mạnh và bền vững. Intech cũng sẽ đẩy mạnh các hoạt động xuất khẩu trong cái thời gian tới. Trọng tâm ở đây là các thị trường Nhật Bản, Mỹ và châu Âu. Chúng tôi cũng rất chú trọng nâng cao cái hệ thống quản trị cũng như số hóa các cái hệ thống quản trị nhằm mục đích là hoạt động hiệu quả hơn và minh bạch hơn, hướng tới phát triển bền vững. Chúng tôi tập trung vào nâng cao cái môi trường làm việc, đời sống của cán bộ, nhân viên, cũng như tập trung vào các hoạt động thiện nguyện, đóng góp cho xã hội và cộng đồng nhiều hơn trong cái thời gian tới.
The achievements of the past decades are a solid foundation for Intech Group to continue its journey of creating and spreading the good values to partners, customers, and the community. All of us Intech Group people with the mission of future creators are ready for a new era. Intech Group Future Creation.